So today I'm fitting R&G, their BSB standard racing protection. So the tools that you're going to need: 5mm Allen key. I've got it on just a little palm ratchet just to speed things up. I've got a 10mm multi-point socket, and that's the standard bolt fitment for the R1, so this is going to be different. And then I've just got a torque wrench so that we can torque up the bolts afterwards. All I've done so far is I've just loosened the bolts off on the standard casings. It's not all of them, you'll have to look at the diagram for your specific bike to see what ones get slackened off. But on the R1 you've just got 2 on your oil pump and then 3 on your actual main casing, so I've taken those out. And then I've put the bolts in through the protector. Some of them will need a washer, others won't. And then the only other thing is that on the rear of the casings you have little black spaces, and all they need to do is they just need to press into the holes, so make sure that you don't forget those. Put that one back in, and then they just, that one's dropped off, so I'll just press that one back in there, press it in, that one's still attached. So I'm just going to line them up over the existing casing, press it on, get that one started, get that one in, get my little hand ratchet, I'm just going to nip these up but still keep them pretty loose so that we can torque them up with the torque wrench afterwards. So it's the same with the oil pump. Press the spacer on, press it over, put your bolts in, screw them up. Again, I'm just going to nip these up, get them in roughly, and then set the torque wrench. So I'm just going to truck this up to 12 Newton meters for the R1. Lock that off. Just torque these up. Wait for the click. There we go. Job done.